So moving right along with the different types of pay that we've received, straight time pay, overtime pay, I wanted to introduce something called piecework to you guys. I've had one job like this in the past where I got paid for beds that I assembled on the campus at SIU. This was way back in high school. But the idea is for piecework, you get paid per item that you actually produce. In that case, it was how many beds could I put together. The faster you could put them together, the more money you would get paid per hour. This kind of job doesn't exist a whole lot anymore, but it's kind of a motivator for your productivity. So in this real quick example here, Josh had been collecting signatures for a friend's mother who wanted to run for mayor. You have to have so many signatures before they'll put your name on the ballot. In this case, the candidate offered to pay him $8 an hour or 80 cents a signature. So basically, if Josh could bust his butt and get 10 signatures an hour or more, he would make more money than if he were just getting paid $8 an hour. So the idea is you get paid, say, 15 cents for every pencil you sharpen. The more pencils you sharpen, the faster you can do it, the more money you're going to get paid. So the general calculation is you take your rate or how much you're actually getting paid per item times how many items you can actually produce. So the more items, the faster you can do it, the more money you're going to get paid. Example down here at the bottom. This is a little bit backwards, but let's say you're, a car wash. The soccer team's getting paid $20 a car. How many vehicles can they wash? The faster they do it, the more money they're going to get because they're producing more. So in this case, $20 per car, 40 cars, they netted $800 for their car wash. All right, here's a little bit more of a realistic example. Ramon silkscreen prints for a local artist who pays him $4 per item that he completes. Last week he silk screen printed, that's how they make t-shirts and stuff. He silk screened 75 prints. This week he silk screened 71. So he's getting paid separately for each week. 4 times 75. His pay last week was $300. This week he produced a few less. It was $284. So if I asked you, I didn't in this case, but I could very easily ask you for his total pay for the 2 weeks would be $584. All right. The number of items times how many he produced. The price per item times how many he produced, and you're golden. Okay. Just to kind of take some of the words out of it, it doesn't matter what item is being produced, but price per item times how many were produced, $3.20 times whatever, 140 items for a grand total of $448. Last one, 15 cents an item. Maybe these are the pencils I asked you to sharpen earlier. You did 1,494 of them. All right, be careful on your answers. When you calculate this one, it says 224.1. We are talking money here. You need 2 decimal places, so add a 0 at the end if need be to round out your 2 places. All right, money's always dollars and cents.